Hi everyone, today I'm with another unboxing and here I have B760M AORUS Pro AX motherboard and I'm gonna show you the content inside. And for the people who haven't subscribed my channel, hit the subscribe button and follow my content. I'm gonna do more unboxing videos and in later maybe more specification related videos. So without any delaying, let's unbox B760M AORUS Pro X. So if we check out the box design itself, it has a decent design and the box is not that big. And there are some information regarding like it has like 4 years of AORUS warranty period. And in the back of the box, there are like some artworks and there are some general information about the specification of this board. So first let me open up the box and see what's inside. And here when you open it, you can see the motherboard itself, and I'm gonna separate the motherboard and see what's on the bottom. I have already opened this box and check out the contents. So here I have a cable for SATA cables, like there are like 2 pair of SATA cable, and there is a Wi-Fi 6E antenna that comes with the box, and there is another small brochure like information regarding this board. So let's take out the motherboard and see what's the content inside. Let me take it out. So the board itself is really light, it's not that heavy, and the board feels a little bit cool and I kind of like the feeling. And if I check the back, they don't have much design, but I really like this simple design. So I'm gonna go through one by one and show you the like features, specification that comes with this AORUS board. So first thing I realized about this motherboard is having this kind of like big heat sinks and this cooling system related like thermal pads and the thermal guards, and also this 6mm pipe. And so generally speaking, the cooling on this motherboard is like really efficient, so it can prevent the overheating of this motherboard. The main feature of this motherboard is it containing LGA 1700 socket, allowing you to put like 13 gen 12 gen processors, and also it containing the Intel B760 chipset. And if you check the RAM slots, there are like 4 RAM slots, and this board is DDR5, so it's allowing you to overclock up to 7600 megahertz. If you check out the PCIe slots, there are like 2 slots and both are like PCIe 4 slots. And the difference is one is PCIe X16 and the other one is PCIe X4. And if you check the SSD slot, there are like 2 slots. One is here and one is on the next to the processor. And if I take out this SSD, it's like this, how it look like. There's another cool feature that I found in the board that has like these latches. They call it like Easy Latch Plus, and it's like they have like this spring effect, and it also contained in the PCIe 4 port. And I want to try putting a SSD and see how it works. Like if I put my SSD here, and when I put the latch, like I just have to press and put it here and it's gonna lock itself. So you don't need to put any screws and adjust it. And then if you want to take it off, you just have to like press here and it's gonna come out. So it's like it's really cool function, like it's convenient. I don't need to like screw everything. So I just have to like, if I want to put one, I'm just gonna put like this, and if I want to lock it, I just press it. So they, according to the website also, they have told like it has the same function for this. For right now, I don't have any VGA card to show it how it works. So if I talk about other features of this board, like I found these buttons like interesting, like it allows you to go to the BIOS directly without any button press. And also there are like 4 SATA ports, and there are like 24 pin power connector. And also throughout the board you can find like some ports that allowing you to connect the fans to cooling this motherboard. So if I talk about the back panel, it's like really simple, and it has like USB ports and HDMI DP ports and also Type-C port and also network cable ports. And the other thing I was really interested was this Wi-Fi 6E connector that you get with the box, that you have this antenna, you can connect it to it so you can have Wi-Fi connectivity. So to summarize everything, I found this board really good. Like for example, the heatsink and also 13th gen processor support, DDR5, overclocking, and also PCI ports. So overall, I found this board like good for its price range and the features. So this is the end of my unboxing and review of the B760M AORUS Pro AX. And I hope everybody got some idea about this motherboard. And I hope to make more content, unboxing, and maybe some reviews in my future videos. And thanks for watching my videos, and I really appreciate. And I see you everyone on my next video. Bye.